Doug from Telonic Instruments. We run the Rigol-UK.co.uk website. We're doing a what's in the box video, and we've got the Rigol DS1052E. This is Rigol's baby oscilloscope, really popular model. Okay, so have a look, see what we've got here. So manuals and a CD there as well. 2 probes, European mains lead, the oscilloscope, and USB lead as well. So let's have a look. So it's a 2-channel 50 meg unit. Just open it up. Okay. There she is. Nice little carry handle as well there, nice and light. And that's a really popular unit. At the time of this video we were selling this for around about £200 mark. There is another new popular unit as well, the Z series 4-channel scopes for under 400. Now if you buy this from us at Rigol-UK.co.uk, we'll also give you the UK mains lead, and we do a Telonic pre-delivery inspection sheet where we'll do the electrical safety tests, make sure the unit works to spec, and we'll check the firmware. Please look at Rigol-UK.co.uk and we'll give you the best offers.